let me show you what we have done for customers. Now, we have, I guess when we first started this, right, customers were using, a lot of our customers were using spreadsheets. They manage multiple spreadsheets, have a lot of problems, as you probably would know already, right? Very manual, very error prone. So we have them first of all, they come to me and say, can we help them do this, to produce the entire CAFR on one single platform, one single automatic document. And that's what we've done. Okay. And because of that, of course, error rates, minimize, eliminated actually. And because once most folks export from their ERP system and have the data in multiple spreadsheets, then it's really hard to track them because the data is not coming from one single source. So what we have done is to make sure that everything goes to one place. So you would have a single set of numbers to draw on, right? That is to ensure obviously our accuracy, and you have complete visibility when you have just one area to go to. And because of all the automation, right, you can shorten. One of our biggest customers can shorten their whole reporting, the CAFR reporting cycle by a month or two. And we have actually success stories that actually talk about that. So that's pretty significant. Okay. At the same time, we have the document manager area where you would be able to collaborate, work together to automate and produce, okay, your any kind of documentation that you would need to submit to your auditor, and could even produce electronic work papers, lead schedules for yourselves, everything digitized, okay, within the same application. And what that will do is, of course, make you you might have multiple people, maybe even yourself, right, working on this to get the CAFRs going, get all the required documentation ready. You might need something to help you keep track, right? You want it to be able to track each and every step, whatever that you've done, keep track of the tasks, any particular issues you want to deal with. You'll be able to do that using the system. And internally, you can even review, even within a multiple user situation, you can review those work that you've done, okay, the preparation of your audit work papers, whatever it is. You can do everything entirely on screen. Okay. And because everything is controlled and electronic, right, it makes it a lot more accurate. Not to say that you're not doing a good job right now, but then if you tell your clients, your auditors, right? I mean, they definitely when they find out, the customers that we have helped using a software like that, right away, I mean, they feel, wow, okay, now we're pretty sure that the numbers that are going to come out are going to be pretty clean. And because of that, when it's clean numbers, meaning you have less passing information back and forth, right? And overall, you would be able to save time and money, right? You could really lower, the cost that you have to spend with your auditors, right? A lot of our big customers, right, basically they have cost overruns, okay, because of the fact that they can really control what went wrong, and then the process gets to go on forever. And with a solution like that, you obviously would be able to control that very nicely as well. And finally, we have had them, increase management insight, because what they usually do is they would either have to dig through their spreadsheets or have to go to their ERP system to generate a very quick report. Now, because you have everything at your fingertips without, right, you could just very quickly create some kind of, mini report to help executive management have their visibility, of course, and to help them make decisions quickly and smartly, of course. Okay, so basically that's what we have done. And what you should be seeing right now is a cross-section of customers that we have. Now, again, mind you, these are customers that are on our main product, okay, the GASB automation package that we have, okay. So you can see a lot of cities, counties, even a big aviation authority like the Jacksonville one, and pension funds, big cities, as you can see. So I guess what I'm trying to say is the software pretty much works for any particular government organization, anything.